right, guys, who's got their game face on tonight? Here to hit me with everything they've got, fellow chefs Alex Guarnaschelli and Josh Capon.
That hurt. I'm gonna pull out my back. Yeah! Game day! Game day!
You had such a good time beating me the first time you brought Capon back.
We are undefeated in this house. Undefeated.
It just gives me something to strive for game day.
Not today!
The Jackie Gleason of the food world.
Game day is one of my favorite days of the year.
Is it? What kind of stuff do you do?
We do the traditional stuff, like the wings and all that kind of stuff.
Mac and cheese.
Obviously, there's some bacon involved.
I'd like a big old sloppy bowl of nachos. I want to wear a smock and just eat.
All right, who do you guys got tonight?
Our first contender is the culinary MVP in Lehigh Valley. Please welcome Lee Chizmar.
Oh, I like the
Heisman. Yeah, Lee. Our next contender is here for the ring. Make some noise for Chef Todd Mark Miller. Oh, touchdown passes already.
Josh and Alex have placed their bets on one of you beating me tonight. But as you know, beating Bobby Flay is not a team sport, so you must first go through each other. You'll have 20 minutes to make a single ingredient the star of your dish. I'm gonna give you guys an ingredient that I love to cook with. Jalapeños.
Nice. I love jalapenos. It's zingy, it's spicy.
When I think of game day, jalapenos take all of those dishes and put them to the next level with some spice and heat.
These need to be the star of your plate. Go.
Oh, it's on. Let the games begin.
Copy. I'm thinking about making a warm maitake jalapeno salad with a pickled roasted corn and jalapeno relish and a jalapeno basil vinaigrette.
So I'm making jalapeno sweet and sour chicken wings and do a jalapeno gastrique.
7 minutes now.
Don't be nice, Capon.
Not my style, AG. This is your guy. Come on. What are you making in the blender?
Jalapeno vinaigrette. So we're gonna be jalapeno-rific.
This guy's writing his own dictionary over here.
I start blending my jalapenos with champagne vinegar and honey for sweetness. Jalapeno all the way.
How we doing?
Cooking.
Make sure you're careful with those hands, right?
I know, I'm nervous.
You got all those jalapeno oils on your hands. Don't do one of these.
Oh, no.
Don't go to the bathroom either.
I have to get my gastrique started, so I'm dicing up my jalapenos and onions. A gastrique is a caramelized sugar and vinegar sauce.
Let's go. 4 minutes, guys. Let's go now. Todd just got a nice vinaigrette going. He's got some nice maitake mushrooms, some slab bacon. Lee's got jalapenos everywhere. Hey, Lee, those chicken wings gonna be cooked?
I sure hope so.
Because I'm the one that has to eat them.
I know.
1 minute, fellas. Let's go.
Time's flying, so I plate the mushrooms, follow with the pickled corn.
Oh my God, he's not gonna finish.
On my dish, I have my bib lettuce base. I'm adding my chicken wings garnished with pickled jalapenos, pickled tomatoes.
10.
I'm gonna pour my jalapeno gastrique over the top.
6,
Finally, the jalapeno and basil vinaigrette.
3, 2, 1. Alex and I are here on game day for one reason. To pick the chef that will take down Mr. Flay.
It's all gonna come down to what you did with the jalapeno. Chef Lee, tell us what you made.
I made a jalapeno sweet and sour chicken wing.
We're cooked. We're a little worried about that.
Me too.
Nice sweet and sour balance going on. The gastrique really adhered to the chicken wing, like a really, really nice glaze. We like a little more heat from the jalapeno.
I'm a real sucker for a chicken wing. I love that you used the honey and the lime to balance out a jalapeno pepper, but it feels a little bit like the jalapenos divorced from the other ingredients on the plate. But I like that you went game day on this. Todd, tell us what you made.
A maitake and jalapeno mushroom salad with a jalapeno pickled roasted corn and a jalapeno basil vinaigrette.
You said jalapeno a bunch of times. It's a good start. I was definitely a little concerned that there wasn't gonna be enough jalapeno in the dish, but my mouth's dancing, if you will. I think the slab bacon brings it all home. On the flip side, you got some pretty aggressive cuts of jalapeno on there, and it might blow my roof off the joint.
I think the mushrooms are really beautiful, and the corn is such great technique. But I had to conduct a witch hunt to find the jalapeno vinaigrette With half the ingredients, you could have made the same, if not a better point.
Lee went with the game day theme, but Todd definitely showed some good technique. Not sure who I'm gonna face here.
Alex and I have discussed, and the winner is Todd Mark Miller!
Back to the grind. I'm gonna go back home
Good
and
job, good job.
keep on cooking.
Listen, I would like to leave here undefeated.
Less stuff, cooked in the same great way, and that's gonna be a wrap on game day for him.
Todd, congratulations.
Thank you.
What's your signature dish tonight?
My signature dish is cheesesteak.
I'm actually in the mood for a Philly cheesesteak.
Me too.
So we've got 3 industry experts who are standing by to do a blind taste test.
You are each gonna have 45 minutes. The stakes are high. The game starts now. Come on, Todd. Come on, Todd. Let's go.
I'm adding jalapeno, Todd's adding tomato. These are certainly things that you wouldn't find in a classic cheesesteak. We're both throwing that Hail Mary pass. We'll see who ends up in the end zone. So I'm using a classic Philly cheesesteak roll. It's very soft and pillowy.
He's definitely got the bread right. Fresh, soft hoagie rolls.
For the most part, I want my bread to be soft so that it soaks in all the juices and the cheese and it sort of becomes part of the bread. I feel like I'm really back on track, and I think Todd is actually starting to feel the heat a little bit now.
2 minutes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, I need to grab my bread.
Uh-oh, did somebody forget about those croutons?
Oof. There are some edges that I have to trim off, but it's ready to go.
A cheesesteak is so much about the bread.
That boy's making me nervous. 45 seconds, guys.
Clock's running down, no overtime in this arena. So I plate by slathering with a toasted bun with some jalapeno pesto, then adding caramelized onions and cremini mushrooms.
I put the meat onto the bread. And then I follow with the lemony Dijon, the Taleggio cheese sauce, and then the tomatoes. Last, I'm gonna put some cheese sauce on the side so they can dunk.
I'm gonna add my steak and cheese sauce on top.
2, 1,
Bobby, Todd, it's time to meet the judges.
First up, the head honcho of Bear Creek Smokehouse, Robbie Shoults. The founder and host of Q Katie, Katie Quinn. And the chef and partner from Porterhouse Bar and Grill, Michael Lomonaco. In honor of game day, please start with the cheesesteak in front of you. Katie Quinn going for the dip.
There's a kick in that cheese sauce. I'm telling you, it's coming now. Really good. The beef, it's incredible. Great, big, powerful flavor. But the bread, it's a little soft for me.
This would not last long at my game day. That lemony Dijon added such a nice citrusy balance. All right, so the tomatoes, texturally, not super into it. And I'm not a huge fan of the bread, which I think is really important when it comes to cheesesteaks.
It was a little hard to eat for me, but the flavor was spot on. The caramelized onions are awesome on there. Overall, I thought it was a great sandwich.
All right, judges, please switch your plates.
The bread's holding together nicely. The beef is extremely tender. I love the addition of the sauteed mushrooms, and then that jalapeno paste really topped it off. But I would like to see a few more caramelized onions on this sandwich.
It has all of the elements that make my mouth really happy. It's got the sweet, the salty, the spicy. I love that I could be eating this with one hand, a cup of beer in the other hand. I mean, it's game day, right?
I love the cheese sauce. Provolone gives you that spicy edge, but I wish there were more beef. When you take this great bread and you don't put enough beef, you're losing what should be a great ratio in the sandwich. Neither one of these is a classic cheesesteak, and that's what makes them so special.
But there can only be one.
They raved about his steak, but I think mine worked better as a sandwich. Still anyone's game.
And the winner of the cheesesteak battle is Bobby